Hello, everyone. Dan Turchin, CEO of PeopleRain, here with my friend Barclay Ray to tell you about the AI certification course for IT executives that we're going to be co-presenting June 18th. It's a half-day course where we're going to be training the next generation of IT executives to lead your organization's AI initiative. Barclay, why are we doing this? Why is it important?
Well, it's important because AI is a great solution, particularly at this time. People are going back to, the new world of work. It's been a growing phenomenon for the last few years to help us to do things more efficiently, to free up more time, to make us more digital, all those kind of good things. This one really is for executives, leaders, managers to understand what AI is and what the opportunities are for it. So it gives them the insight and the confidence to take that forward in their organization.
And we find that a lot of the value beyond the content, the overview of how AI and machine learning work, and of course the certification, a lot of the value is the networking. So you're going to get introduced to truly the next generation of leaders that are going to be defining the future of work, and particularly the post-pandemic future of work. So join Barclay and I. We promise that it'll be fulfilling, it will change your career. Half day, June 18th. We'll see you there.